Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb beef up and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb beef up is to make something bigger, better, or more interesting, to strengthen something. The marketing department make plans for the next quarter. Okay, let's put last quarter's results to bed. Now I want to beef up our efforts and double those results. The president is due to make a speech soon. They've beefed up security and policing in the area because of the president's speech. The company are running a new recruitment campaign. We're looking to take on another 20 employees to really beef up production in the factory. Where did you hear the phrasal verb beef up? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.